Hello students, today we are doing again question related with the volume and volume of well, okay, which is converted into an embankment. Now what they are telling in this question, they are telling a well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep and the earth taken out of it. जब हमने कुआं खोदा उसमें से मिट्टी निकली, that is earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring with width 4 meter to form an embankment. अब यहाँ embankment का क्या मतलब होता है, I'll explain you here. आपने देखा होगा इसको हिंदी में अपन मुड़ेर बोलते हैं, कुएं के आसपास जनरली बनती है गांव में. यू माइट हैव सीन इन मैनी सीरियल्स और मूवीज. सपोज दिस इज अवर वेल, दिस इज द लैंड, दिस इज द सरफेस ऑन विच वी स्टैंड और इतना डीप ये गया है. तो हाउ मच डीप द वेल वेंट 14 meter deep. They are telling it's deep 14 meter and the diameter of the well, they are telling the diameter of the well is 3 meter. ओके, और जब हमने वेल डिग कर लिया तो देन ऑब्वियसली सम मड विल कम आउट. वो जो मड बाहर निकली है, दैट मड इज स्प्रेड अराउंड दी वेल. वेल के आसपास ही उसको स्प्रेड करा है टू फॉर्म एन एम्बार्कमेंट. तो हाउ इट विल लुक लाइक, नाउ ऑब्जर्व हियर. It will be like this. You might have seen this type of thing around the well. बाकी जमीन के अंदर है, we are not bothered about that. Here they are telling diameter is 3 meter. So we will count only radius. If diameter of this well, diameter is 3 meter, then obviously radius of the well will be half of the diameter, means 3 upon 2 meter. So R will become 1.5 meter. Clear? So here the radius is 1.5 meter and the width of embankment, ये embankment यहाँ से यहाँ तक they are telling is of 4 meter. जो मिट्टी बाहर निकली उसको स्प्रेड करा है कुएं के आसपास, so that embankment is of 4 meter. So outer radius of this circle will become, यहाँ से यहाँ तक I am talking about, okay, full. So what it will become, 4 plus 1.5, so it will become 5.5 meter. Clear? From here to here 3 का half करा, so we got it 1.5. 4, this much part 4 meter is the width of embankment. So outer radius of this will be 4 plus 1.5, so your answer will come 5.5. means inner radius if I speak, so inner radius will become 1.5 meter, okay, and outer radius capital R I will take, so it will come 5.5 meter. Here height of this embankment is not given, we have to find, okay. So I'll take this height as h, this we have to find. While here in this height of well they have given height of well is 14 meter. Now you have to remember one concept, कि volume before and after always remains same, means जितनी मड यहाँ से कुएं में से बाहर निकली है उसका वॉल्यूम इस एम्बार्कमेंट के वॉल्यूम के बराबर होगा, बिकॉज दे आर टेलिंग कि द सेम मड विच इज कम आउट फ्रॉम द वेल इज स्प्रेड अराउंड द वेल टू मेक एन एम्बार्कमेंट. हमने कुछ ऐड नहीं करा, हमने कुछ रिड्यूस नहीं करा, सो बोथ द वॉल्यूम्स विल बी इक्वल. गिवन थिंग शुड बी रिटर्न वेरी प्रॉपरली एंड नाइसली. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो द थीम लाइन starts from here. What we understand is volume of well is equals to, या volume of well is equals to volume of embankment, volume of embankment. Embankment. Now if you observe properly, well is a shape of cylinder, so volume of cylinder will be pi r square h is equals to, here volume of embankment. If I will look to the properly to the embankment, it is a cylindrical shape, but it is ring, it is having some width. Okay, means a cylinder having some width, means inner radius and outer radius. So here the formula will become pi into, instead of small h I am writing capital H. Here whenever inner and outer radius are there, your formula will become r square minus r square. We will subtract. Now we will start solving. So here also pi and here also pi, so we can cancel. Okay, so clear, it is shape of a cylinder having some width, so inner radius and outer radius we are taking. Now we have cancelled out. Now we will put here, it's r square h. So here what is small r? Small r we have taken as 1.5 into 1.5 into h is 14. Here from here we are getting 14 is equals to h, as it is here we will be using the concept here 5.5 square minus, for r we will be writing 1.5 square. Now before you start solving, please remember here we will use the identity. Which identity we are going to use? For you I am explaining here. You have studied this, a square minus b square is equals to a minus b in bracket a plus b. The same property we will use. We can transpose this also, this will come in bracket. So first upon, let's solve this. 15 square, so what it will come, it will multiply 1, so it will become 2.25 into 14 is equals to h, and here we will open, so it will become 5.5 minus 1.5, and here 5.5 plus 1.5. Again we'll leave it as it is, so it becomes easy for cancellation. H, these two things are in multiply, so they can be transposed down, so I'm writing here down only. Okay, 5.5 minus 1.5, so your answer will come 4 into here 5.5 plus 1.5, so your answer will come 7. Now it's your choice, you can cancel ones and twos are, and when we will divide h, we will get 1.125 meter. Thus we will write height of the embankment is 1.125 meter. Clear? Read the question properly, always draw the figure and solve. Okay? Proper work.